Well, the turn of the Italeri model kits in 1/72nd scale with this shiny box. Another big helicopter from the Royal Navy. In this case, it should be the Merlin HMA.1, kit number 1248. That's a big one. The big one, way big one. I love it. This render made by, let me check, Pauly G. Aha. Pauly G. Congrats to that artist. Well, the box dimensions are 34 centimeters by 24 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Let's check the details on sides. Helicopters Italeri, the kit 1248, as I told you, in 6 different languages, countries: UK, Italy, Germany, Netherlands, France, Spain, sorry. Dimensions of the model in that scale should be more than 31 centimeters length, including the diameter of the rotor, main rotor. The kit number, again, the same cover, and this side specifications of the Italeri company in Italy, made in Italy in 2005, not recommended for children from 0 to 3 years old. Well, they recommend testors, paints, Model Master, specifically acrylic paints. The light ghost gray, light blue gloss, flat black, silver, etc. This is real pictures, pictures of the real helicopters in somewhere, but they are explaining that some of the schemes may vary depending on the what kind of water stickers or decal sheet are included on this box. Well, that's it. Let's open this box and see all the parts inside, all the frames. No plastic bags for the frames, only for the transclear one. Let's get it out, each one. 1, 2, 3, and the transclear number 4. Let's check the building instructions. The decals sheet with the original film protector. Nice. It's still in new condition, I think. Well, sorry, I counted the pieces because no information about that on the box. As you see on the building instructions, you will check the parts graphically with all the frames. I counted the pieces, it's 163 pieces. I didn't count the decals sheet, it should be 164. If you consider the decal sheet as a piece. Well, a lot of steps because it is a big model with a lot of details. The step number 1, assembling seats and cockpit. and panel control. Main cabin with the floor is the step number 2. Decaling some parts. You see decal number 1, decal number 7, decal number 7 on the seats. Still assembling main cockpit with joysticks, whatever. Step number 4. That's a big lift, big sheet. Main rotor, painting inside. This rotor mechanism that's so complicated. The windows. Step number 5, the windscreen on the fuselage, or I mean the tail boom, part of it, the tail rotor, the stabilizers, the transmissions, landing gear systems, antennas, the mast, part of the mast, the radar underneath, some other specialized systems underneath, landing gear, the bombs holders, or a lot of them. That's a big sheet. Assembling the blades, rotor blades. It should be 5 blades. Great. Yes. Another detailed door. The ladder for the door in order to access to the cabin, to the main cabin. Tail rotor, 4 blades, more structures, more systems on the main cabin. The rotors, I mean the blades, could be folded for the aircraft carrier. And the markings for the Royal Navy, only one version that you see with the accurate paints by using Model Master from testors. Yes. Front view, and the colors: light ghost gray, black flat, gunmetal. Well, some descriptions, a little history. Jointly developed, built by Augusta and Westland. The EH.101 is undoubtedly today's most advanced medium helicopter. I thought it was a large one, but it is medium, according to this description. Well, it's got 3 General Electric CT76 or Rolls-Royce Turbomeca RTM322 turbines. Wow. 5 blades, etc. Well, I think it is enough for the building instructions. So big, the booklet or the brochure. Let's detail the decals sheet with all perfect parts to apply. Okay, some controls, panels, seat belts, nice details, some signs, danger, the insignias from the Royal Navy. Nice condition with its properly protector film. Checking the frames. This one is with the blades, 5 blades, just one piece each one, not halves. Tail rotor with 4 blades. This is the system for the main rotor. Wow, a lot of pieces, more of them, a lot of pieces, the bombs, the rudder, the tail boom, part of it, seats, too many parts as you see, main cabin, helicopter tail or tail boom as a part of it, stabilizer, more seats, bulkheads, floor, a lot of parts. With raised combination, raised and recessed panel lines. Gotta be careful with that. Well, okay, let's check the transclear part. Still in its original plastic bag. Let's cut it and look much better. Yes, great condition. Of course, it is new. So nice shininess, and it is so clear. Great. Well, that's it about this great helicopter, great model kit with this shiny box. Well, let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.